Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine a place that exists in the balance, neither truly land nor entirely water. It's a magical blend of both elements, a realm where the boundaries blur and nature thrives in harmonious complexity. This is the essence of a wetland, a unique and vital ecosystem. Wetlands are areas where the ground is consistently saturated with water, whether permanently or for significant periods. This saturation profoundly shapes the soil composition, the types of plants that can take root, and the diverse array of animals that find refuge and sustenance there. The water level may fluctuate, sometimes lying just below the surface, creating a seemingly damp landscape. Or it might form a shallow shimmering layer reflecting the sky and the surrounding vegetation. This creates gentle, often breathtaking landscapes teeming with subtle beauty. It's a place where water works quiet wonders, nurturing life and shaping the environment in profound ways. The defining feature that truly sets a wetland apart is its waterlogged, oxygen-poor soil. This unique soil type is known as hydric soil. The presence of hydric soil fundamentally determines which specialized plants and animals possess the adaptations necessary to survive in this challenging environment. Wetlands are not confined to a single region. They exist almost everywhere across the globe. You can find them in the frigid expanse of the Arctic tundra and in the lush, humid depths of tropical forests. Their size can vary dramatically, ranging from vast, sprawling ecosystems to small, ephemeral features like a seasonal pond that appears and disappears with the changing weather. They're sustained by various water sources, including the steady flow of rivers, the gentle fall of rain, the unseen seepage of groundwater, or the rhythmic ebb and flow of tides. Each wetland type is uniquely adapted to its specific local climate and geographical conditions, resulting in a remarkable diversity of forms and functions. These vital ecosystems act as the kidneys of the landscape, filtering pollutants and purifying water. They serve as crucial nurseries of life, providing shelter and sustenance for countless species. And they function as vital links between terrestrial and aquatic environments, connecting the land and water in a seamless web of life. Wetlands are not wastelands, as they were once mistakenly perceived. Instead, they're dynamic, ever-changing environments, constantly adapting to the rhythms of nature. They are brimming with life and purpose, playing a critical role in the health of our planet. To walk through a wetland, to immerse yourself in its sights and sounds, is to witness firsthand one of nature's most productive and resilient creations. Life here adapts ingeniously, showcasing the remarkable power of evolution. Every organism has found a way to thrive in the constant presence of water, developing unique strategies for survival. Understanding the intricate workings of wetlands is the crucial first step to truly appreciating their immense value and the vital services they provide to us all. They hold secrets that are essential to understanding and maintaining the health and resilience of our entire planet. We must look closer, observe more carefully, and learn to value these vital spaces, because ultimately, they are absolutely essential to the well-being of our world and to our own survival. Wetlands, those fascinating interfaces between land and water, come in many forms across our planet. They are incredibly diverse ecosystems. Each type of wetland boasts its own distinct character, shaped by its unique environmental conditions and geographical location. Marshes are open, sunlit places, often teeming with life and activity. They are frequently found near rivers or lakes, acting as a crucial transition zone between aquatic and terrestrial environments. Marshes are typically dominated by a lush array of reeds and grasses, providing shelter and sustenance for a wide variety of creatures. These vibrant ecosystems are alive with the sounds of birds and frogs, creating a symphony of nature. Swamps, in contrast to the open nature of marshes, are characterized as forested wetlands, featuring a dense canopy of trees and shrubs that filter the sunlight. These include iconic landscapes like cypress swamps with their submerged trunks, or mangrove swamps with their intricate root systems. Swamps are often shaded, creating a humid environment that is rich in wildlife, from reptiles to amphibians and a myriad of insects. Bogs are acidic, nutrient-poor wetlands, often found in cooler climates. They are typically carpeted with sphagnum moss, which contributes to their acidic conditions. Bogs are also home to unique plants, such as carnivorous sundews, which have adapted to thrive in these challenging environments. Over long periods of time, bogs build up peat, a dense accumulation of partially decayed plant matter, This peat preserves ancient history within its layers, offering a glimpse into the past. Fens, often considered cousins to bogs, share some similarities. However, fens are peat-forming wetlands that are fed by mineral-rich groundwater, making them less acidic than bogs. This mineral-rich water supports a greater diversity of plants, creating a more varied ecosystem. Ultimately, the source of water plays a crucial role in shaping each wetland's unique community of life, influencing the types of plants and animals that can thrive there. Together, marshes, swamps, with their distinct characteristics, bogs and fens, each contribute to the overall health of our planet. They form a rich tapestry of habitats, supporting a vast array of species and providing essential ecosystem services. Each wetland is a unique world, a microcosm of biodiversity and ecological processes. These diverse ecosystems are vital to the planet's health, playing a critical role in water filtration, flood control, and carbon sequestration. Their diversity is not only their strength, allowing them to adapt to changing conditions, but also their beauty, offering stunning landscapes and unique natural wonders. Wetlands are truly nature's masterpieces, deserving of our protection and appreciation. Wetlands are nature's truly remarkable ecosystems. These areas, often overlooked, play a vital role in the health of our planet. Water purifiers, acting as the Earth's natural filters, tirelessly working to cleanse and refine the water that flows through them. Acting as immense natural filters, removing impurities and ensuring the water is cleaner as it moves downstream. As water flows through these intricate networks of plant life and soil, sediments and pollutants settle out, trapped by the dense vegetation and the slow-moving currents. While plants and microbes working in harmony break down harmful substances, transforming them into less toxic forms or even using them as nutrients. Wetlands cleanse water, improving its quality and making it safer for both human consumption and the environment. Before it reaches rivers, lakes, and oceans, the lifeblood of our planet, ensuring these larger bodies of water remain healthy and vibrant. Our planet's kidneys at work, silently and efficiently maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystems. They're also cradles of biodiversity, teeming with life and supporting a vast array of plant and animal species. Providing nurseries for fish, offering safe havens for young and vulnerable species to grow and thrive. Stopovers for migratory birds, offering vital resting and feeding grounds for these long-distance travelers. And homes for countless species, from insects and amphibians to reptiles, birds, and mammals. Wetlands act as giant sponges, absorbing excess rainfall and runoff, soaking up floodwaters, preventing them from inundating nearby communities and causing widespread damage. And releasing them slowly, gradually releasing the stored water back into the environment, protecting towns and coastlines, acting as natural barriers against the destructive forces of nature, from floods and erosion, safeguarding human lives and property. Peatlands, including bogs and fens, unique and fascinating ecosystems, are the world's largest, most effective terrestrial natural carbon stores, holding vast quantities of carbon within their dense, waterlogged soils. Locking away carbon, preventing it from entering the atmosphere and contributing to global warming. And helping fight climate change, playing a crucial role in mitigating the effects of greenhouse gas emissions. When wetlands are drained, often for agriculture or development, stored carbon is released, undoing centuries of carbon sequestration. As greenhouse gas, exacerbating the climate crisis and contributing to rising global temperatures. Protecting and restoring wetlands, therefore, is crucial for water, wildlife, and climate, a vital step towards a sustainable future. Their services are irreplaceable, and their value extends far beyond what we can easily measure. Wetlands are essential to life on Earth, and their preservation is paramount for the well-being of our planet and future generations. Across the globe, wetlands are jewels of biodiversity and life. The Pantanal in South America, the world's largest tropical wetland, transforms seasonally into a haven for jaguars, otters, and birds. Africa's Okavango Delta is a lush oasis in the Kalahari Desert, supporting elephants, buffalo, and a unique web of life. North America's Florida Everglades, a slow-moving river of grass, hosts alligators, panthers, and manatees, but faces ongoing threats. In Asia, the Sundarbans is the world's largest mangrove forest, a vital buffer against storms and home to the Royal Bengal tiger. Each wetland is shaped by water, climate, and geography, creating unique ecosystems. These places are vital for wildlife and people alike. Their survival is our shared responsibility. Wetlands are wonders worth protecting. For millennia, stretching back through time, humans have relied on wetlands for essential resources, including food, building materials, and of course, fertile land. Traditional societies lived in harmony with wetlands, understanding their value, using their resources sustainably. But in recent times, we've drained and destroyed wetlands, often without a second thought, for agriculture and development, driven by short-sighted goals, seeing them merely as obstacles. Pollution and habitat loss have followed, a direct consequence with devastating consequences. Floods, water shortages, and vanishing wildlife. Over half the world's wetlands have disappeared since 1900. As wetlands vanish, so do the vital services they provide. Our short-term gains have led to long-term loss. The destruction of wetlands is a path to disaster for nature and for us. We must see wetlands as essential life support systems, not disposable land. Protecting them is a matter of survival, requiring a shift from exploitation to guardianship. International agreements like the Ramsar Convention help, but action is needed at every level. Wetland protection must be integrated into planning, agriculture, and development. Education empowers communities to defend and restore local wetlands. Restoration is possible. Wetlands are resilient and can recover if given a chance. Local action, from removing invasives to replanting natives, makes a difference. Restoring wetlands brings back biodiversity, clean water, and climate protection. It's not too late to heal our relationship with these watery worlds. We stand at a crossroads. The fate of wetlands and our own hangs in the balance. Wetlands are not wastelands, but treasures that clean water, prevent floods, store carbon, and support life. Their decline is a warning of our short-sightedness, but the story can change. We have the knowledge and power to restore and protect them. This means supporting conservation efforts and cherishing local wetlands. Every action, big or small, helps heal these vital habitats. Our future is tied to the health of wetlands. They are a legacy and a responsibility. Let's work together to protect and restore these magical places. In saving wetlands, we are saving ourselves.